out again. It's a rich thing.
Well, welcome to my YouTube channel where I'm PixelLab. So in this video we're going to be designing some awesome flavor just using our PixelLab. But if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to drop a comment. So like you can see, this is my PixelLab. I'm using PixelLab YD. If you're interested in getting PixelLab YD, I'll drop the link in the description. So without wasting time, let's just get started. So this is my image size over here. In case you're confused on my image size, you can see this is my image size. My width is 900 for my height is 1208. So I'm going to be designing this. So I got these design resources from a guy on YouTube. His name is Eric Creativity. So these are all my resources here. I will be dropping all the resources in the description so that you guys can download it. So this is the first shape. So what you need to do now, click on it. Make sure you don't crop it. Go to the relative size, increase it to 100. You can see this. So once I'm done doing this, this is our second resources. So what you need to do right now is just to reduce it. Once you reduce it, you take it up. Make sure you stay to the end of this video so that you understand how to design this awesome flair. So this is another resources. What you need now to do now is just to reduce it. Go over to your color filter, increase the contrast, then reduce this and use your position tool to take it up. Make sure you take it up. So something like this. So the next step we're going to be doing now, we're going to be bringing this perfume Aloe Vera. So once you just import it, don't crop anything. Go to your relative size, increase this to 100. You can see once you're done increasing to 100, go back to your color filter, increase your contrast a little. You can choose to touch your brightness or drop it at 1, -1, or your saturation. You get, just play along with the saturation. For this your hue, don't touch your hue, just only your contrast. So something like this. Now the next element we are going to be importing is this element. Let's just try something now with this element. Now go over to your relative size, increase this to 100. Once you increase it to 100, go back to your opacity, reduce your opacity. Or you can, once you reduce the opacity, you send it, put it as +1. Once it's in +1, you send it to the back. So something like this. Now the next element is this lens flare. Just go by here. You see something like this. You can choose to reduce it. Once you reduce it, you centralize it. You get. But if you don't want to use this, you can choose to click on it. Go over to your relative size, increase it to 100, then centralize it. Go over to your opacity, reduce your opacity. You get. So something like this. This is very cool. You can choose to reduce it again if you want to make this design a little bit cool, or you go over to this your plus icon, click on shape, change this to circle, then reduce your opacity, increase your stroke width to 40, then reduce this thing. Make sure if you are reducing, there should not be any dot at the middle. Then increase your blur radius. Now I'm going to color pick the green background. Click on it to color pick to go by your color pick this, then click on the good check mark. So something like this. You can choose to use this, or if you don't want to use this element, but I'm going to be dropping all the resources in the description. Make sure all the elements you worked on, make sure you lock all the elements so that you see what you are working on. So something like, once you reduce it, use your relative position to centralize it. And once you're done doing this, send this to the back. To the back, something like this. You can go back to your opacity, reduce your opacity a little bit. So something like this will be okay than using that background. Make sure you lock the layers you just worked on. So the next layer we're working on is this one. You unhide this layer. You can see this is very cool. Go over to your color filter, increase your contrast, and your brightness should be +1. Then saturation should be 5. So something like this. Once you are done doing this, you will drop this at the top. Just reduce this. Use your position to adjust it. You get. So something, take it down a little bit. So something like this. You can choose to take this to the back of the aloe vera. So something like this is very cool. So the next element, okay, I guess no elements to import. So we're going to be dropping some write-up. So let me quickly work on the write-up. So this is my text. You can see it's so pro. We provide you the best. So this is the text. Make sure if you're writing, your text should be in title case. You know what title case means. That means the first letter of each text will be in a capital letter. So this is it. Just reduce it. Go over to your bold, your style, click on this style, bolding it. Once you bolding it, you reduce it. You get, reduce it a little. You can choose to reduce it by going over to your text size, reduce this, then take it down. or you can choose to take it by the side or down, anywhere you want to put it. So once you're done doing this, centralize it. You can go over to this your align, make it to be in center. So something like this, you can choose to increase your text size, then centralize. So I'll be dropping it like this. This is cool. And for this aloe vera, you can choose to increase it, but I'll be dropping it like this. This is okay by me. So this is all for today, guys. If you love this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, don't forget to drop a comment and share this video to your friends so that they can learn how to create this awesome aloe vera photo manipulation with just using your PixelLab. So see you in our next video. Please subscribe.